In the previous video of the series, I promised I would dedicate the next one to tactics. I've kept my promise, so here we are. Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Alisa and on this channel I talk about topics that are related to the business of coaching. I assume you're interested in the subject, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video, but if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hit the bell so you don't miss any future ones. Today's video is the fourth in a series called 12 Things You Need for a Successful Coaching Business. And it builds on the previous ones. So if last time we talked about strategic thinking and how to apply it to your business, today we will discuss the importance of having a good strategy. Strategy is just another word for plan, and it represents the actions you will take to reach the goals you've set for your business. If you haven't seen the video on goals yet, it's the first one of the series and I will link it for you here and in the description box below together with the entire playlist. You might have heard people talk about marketing strategy or sales strategy. You can have a strategy for all the major operations in your business, but the objective is the same, to reach some particular goals. And since it's likely that your coaching business is fairly small, you can have one strategy that takes into account all the areas of your business and how they all build on each other with the purpose of reaching the same objective. For example, your potential clients and their characteristics and preferences will heavily influence the marketing channels that you use. Depending on the customer journeys that your prospects go through to become clients, you can establish what offers to make to them at each stage of the journey and the best medium to do it through. Based on these offers and their delivery method, you can decide how to price your products or services. If you're not familiar with the concept of a customer journey, you can learn more about it by watching this video. Every time you are thinking of releasing a new product or service, you should think about how it fits in with the rest of your business and how it contributes to reaching your goals. It will help distinguish between genuine opportunities and bright, shiny objects. Or sometimes your strategy might be to let go of certain things in order to reach your goals. This was my case when I decided to stop taking on personal finance clients, which had an implication on my messaging, marketing, and the opportunities that I was pursuing. Even on this YouTube channel, I unlisted some older videos because they were no longer representative of my offer and how I wanted to be perceived. So, long story short, your strategy will guide you step by step on what you need to do to reach your objectives. I put together my strategy in 3 stages. Over a 3 to 5 year period for which I have some bigger goals, for the following 12 months, and then I break it down into periods of 3 months or 12 weeks. This helps me stay focused not only on my immediate goals, but on the bigger picture as well. Now that I just told you how important planning is, I'm about to warn you against it. Before I do that though, if you're getting value from the video so far, I would appreciate it if you gave it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing. If you're inclined to leave a comment, that would make my day. It really helps to support the channel and I thank you in advance if you do. Now the warning. I want to warn you against spending too much time in planning mode, especially if you are a planner like I am. I have to stop myself from overplanning because I know it can turn into a form of procrastination. You plan and refine the plans and plan some more, that you never end up taking any action because the plan is not perfect yet. There's even a name for this, procrastiplanning. The plan doesn't have to be perfect for you to start working on it. In fact, it will never be perfect, and that's okay. That's why every once in a while we stop to evaluate what is working and what's not and adapt the strategy accordingly as we go along. If you're wondering how to even start planning and what areas of your business you should prioritize, I could film a video about using the Wheel of Business, a tool I developed by adapting the Wheel of Life, which I'm sure you've heard of. I wrote an article about it in the Coaching Perspectives magazine in October, but not everyone has access to that. So I'm happy to talk you through it in a video. Let me know in the comments if that's something you would like to see on the channel. And that's number 4 on the list of 12 things you need for a successful coaching business. A good strategy. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I'm Alisa, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.